Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the sum of all interior angles of a polygon of 7 having 7 sides, and we have to write it in terms of right angles. So, sum of interior angles of a polygon, sum of interior angles of a polygon is given by the formula 180 multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. Therefore, for n equals 7, sum of interior angles will be equals to 180 degrees multiplied by 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2, therefore 180 degrees multiplied by 5. Therefore number of right angles will be equals to 180 multiplied by 5 upon 90. Since we know that one right angle is equals 90 degrees. So 90 will cancel out 180 and will produce 2, and 5 multiplied by 2 will be equals 10. Therefore number of right angles will be equal 10. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.